Hello, Sarah of SEK Handmade here, and today I'm going to share with you how to work the perfect stripes when crocheting a half double crochet stitch. Let's go! For this tutorial, you're simply going to need 2 colors of yarn. These can be scraps of any weight, whatever you're comfortable with, and then a hook that's appropriate to match the weight of yarn that you're using. I'm using a heavy, bulky weight yarn and an M or 8mm hook to go with it. So I've worked 2 complete rows of half double crochets, and then I've worked my 3rd row all the way up until my last stitch, and this is where I'm going to make my color change to make a stripe. So I'm going to start my final stitch with my first color, yarn over, insert into that final stitch, pull up a loop, and then I'm going to grab my new color of yarn and join it in right at this point. So simply yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on my hook to complete the half double crochet, and then I'm ready to start working my next row in my new color. And you just work your half double crochets as usual. You can see that this gives us a really nice smooth transition with all the blue being together and all the gray being together. You can see my end here is a little funky, and that's just because as I worked that final stitch, my original color didn't have any tension on that. When you go to weave in your ends, you can simply adjust your tension just a little bit in both your blue and your gray that you'll weave in, and that'll solve that problem. And there you have it. That's how you make the perfect stripes when using the half double crochet stitch. It is always my goal to help you grow confidently in your craft. If you felt this video did that, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and maybe even share it with a friend. That would mean so much to me. Thank you again for joining me today, and happy crafting!